सुन रहे हो? ओ, इस घर में मेरी कोई सुनता ही नहीं.
12 mega movie stars of India beat the coronavirus lockdown to team up and make a short film together while sitting in their respective homes in different cities. Here is how they pulled it off. On the 25th of March, the day after a nationwide lockdown was announced in India, director Prasoon Pandey shared the concept with megastar Amitabh Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan expanded the idea to include raising monetary relief for the daily wage earners of the film industry and brought in sponsors to support the same cause. Then, superstars Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt joined the team and expanded the idea further to include stars from all across India. Mr. Bachchan made the phone calls and roped in none other than Rajnikant, Mammootty, Mohanlal, Chiranjeevi, Shiva Rajkumar, Prosenjit Chatterjee, Sonali Kulkarni, Diljit Dosanjh, and Priyanka Chopra Jonas. That's how this gang of 12 superstars came together. But while living under lockdown in their respective houses in distant cities, how would the stars ensure smooth storytelling? This is behind the scenes of Family.
Hi everyone, my name is Prasoon Pandey and I'm the director of this film. Let me first tell you how completely overwhelmed I am playing even a small part in this epic moment where all you huge stalwarts are coming together for this really noble cause. And what you're coming together to make is a unique, a never before film where all of you perform a slice of drama together without even stepping out of your homes. This has never ever been done before, and that is what makes it really, really, really special. Now, how we are going to do this film is very, very simple. Let me just take you through it. Firstly, by now you've all received the storyboards, right? Please remember that the dialogues written in the board are to be replaced by you with dialogues in your own language, right? Please also remember to keep the number of words approximately the same as in the English dialogue so that the film doesn't begin to drag. Now, I'm going to send you a rough film where I am a stand-in actor for each one of you. So that the rough film does not become confusing, each time the actor in the story changes, I switch the film from color to black and white or from black and white to color, and I also write the actor's name underneath. When two actors are interacting with each other, I have deliberately shot myself in two different rooms in order to demonstrate to you that in this unique style of filmmaking, location continuity or prop continuity just does not matter. So don't worry at all. The only thing that matters is the height from which the camera person is shooting. So is that person standing while they're shooting you? Is that person sitting while they're shooting you, or lying down while they're shooting you? I will mark, there is a place where I will mark. The rough film also shows you your eye line, whether you need to look left of camera, right of camera, or into the camera. Please remind the camera person to hold the phone horizontally while shooting and not vertically. Please turn off any fans in the room, and even if the AC has a humming sound, please turn it off. Please do not speak too softly. Please do not speak too softly. Please also remember not to keep any bright window or a bright light behind you, because when you do that, then I don't get to see you very clearly. If you have any queries about anything whatsoever, please feel free to text me or to WhatsApp me, and I'll call you back immediately. Finally, we thought of this idea on the 24th of March when the Prime Minister announced a 21-day lockdown. Today, it's 2nd of April. 9 days have already gone trying to just tie up the loose ends of such a huge exercise. So please help us by shooting your clips on 3rd April, that's tomorrow itself, and mail them to me before the end of the day so that we can edit the film on 3rd night itself and put the film out on 4th of April. So thanks a lot for your precious time. I'm signing off on behalf of Team Gang Gang. Now that's the name that Amitji's grandchildren have given it. Now Team Gang Gang till now was Amitji, Alia, Ranbir and me, and now it is all of you. Sweetheart, I can't seem to find my sunglasses anywhere. Have you seen them? Hello?
No one gives a damn about me in this house anymore.
He'll keep calling, and Madam will keep blow drying her hair. I'll go look for it. Where are the sunglasses? Hey, Gurpreet! Gurpreet! You lazy bum! Hey, come on, get up, get up!
Well, let me sleep, you nitwit.
Bro, Uncle's sunglasses are lost, man. Come on, get up and help me, man.
But why the hell should I look for them, yeah? You're awake, you look for them, I was fast asleep.
But now you've woken up, nah? No. I haven't woken up. It is you who woke me up. So
Stop it!
Again, both of you are arguing. Grow up, guys. Go and look for the sunglasses. Both of you. Come on. Chalo.
Okay.
Chacha. No. Again. Why do you keep disturbing me again and again? Uncle's sunglasses are lost. Have you seen them? Yes, I have. They're very old-fashioned. You know what he needs? He needs these kind of sunglasses. Brother, give him your shades. Which one do you want? This one? Or this one? Every time you want to keep me out of a conversation, you start discussing in some other language. It's not fair. Are you going to break the door or what? Uncle's sunglasses are lost. In this bathroom, even water is not coming in the tap. How the hell will sunglasses come here? Brother, have you seen the sunglasses that got lost? How can I see something that's already lost? First you find it, then I'll see it. They're all just messing around with me. These two boys have gone mad. First one fellow comes and asks me, the next fellow comes and asks me, have you seen the sunglasses? Who, me? No. I haven't seen it. But he was sitting here 5 minutes back. Yeah. His cup is still lying here. Then his sunglasses must be here only. But I need to find my own glasses. Then we can look for his sunglasses. Hello? Put that phone down. We're in the same goddamn room. I'm right behind you, brother. His sunglasses are lost. Have you seen them? You mean these? Arif, thanks, yaar. But I'll give it to her. No
No,
way.
I will give it to her. Here.
Oh, you? How do you manage to keep losing them? Huh? And why do you need those sunglasses? And what's it with those shoes? I'm wearing my shoes because I'm going to exercise right here in this room. And I needed my sunglasses because I don't need my sunglasses for some time now. Because I'm not going out anywhere. And if I'm not going anywhere, then they'll just lie around and they'll get lost. And if they get lost, then you'll have to search for it all over again. Yele. You saw that none of us ever stepped out of our respective houses. And yet, we put this film together, and we did this because we want to communicate to you not to panic, not to be scared, but stay safe and still come together to help each other as one family.